Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring AZInsight's Hazmat and Restriction Checker, a must-have for every serious seller. First, let's talk about why choosing the right data source matters. With AZInsight, you have two options: Seller Central and the Amazon Selling Partner API. Seller Central offers general Hazmat status information, but can be slow. On the other hand, the Selling Partner API is fast and provides detailed info on Hazmat products without needing to log in to Seller Central. So how do you switch between these sources? It's simple. Head over to the AZInsight settings, click on the cog icon, and select View Layout. Then, under Hazmat and Listing Restrictions Source Selection, choose your preferred source and hit Save. Remember, the Amazon Selling Partner API is your best bet for checking multiple ASINs quickly. It's all about efficiency and getting the most accurate information directly from Amazon. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your Amazon sales. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider insights. Until next time, happy selling!